Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Dainty Bite. Today I'll show you how to make a great strawberry shortcake and show you the basic recipe for a biscuit that is super buttery, flaky and delicious on its own, but also great dressed up with strawberries and cream. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. This is the only recipe you need for a great biscuit. Start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and mix. That's all the dry ingredients you need. Mix well. You need very cold butter. Use a good quality butter. The recipe doesn't have too many ingredients, so good butter will help elevate the flavors. The butter has to be very cold. Use the grater. It's the easiest way to incorporate the butter into the flour evenly. I usually place the butter in the freezer for 1 hour before I do this. Use your fingertips lightly and quickly. This shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. When you feel all the butter is well incorporated, you're gonna move to the next step, which is the wet ingredients. I want to flavor the biscuit with a little bit of vanilla bean paste. Add 1 cup of heavy cream. Now let me tell you, you can use buttermilk, 1 cup of buttermilk. You can mix half buttermilk, half heavy whipping cream, or you can just use heavy whipping cream. I've tried them all. There's not much of a difference, so whatever you have on hand, it doesn't really matter. I'll have everything for you in the description box below the video. And for the biscuit recipe, you want to work very fast. You want all the ingredients to stay very cold. So it depends on the flour and the room temperature. You might need a couple more tablespoons of heavy whipping cream or buttermilk, whichever you're using. But as soon as you can form a bowl and you don't have any extra flour at the bottom of the bowl, you're gonna move the dough to a lightly floured surface. Use a roller to shape a rectangle. Then fold the rectangle, brushing off any extra flour. You're gonna do this folding 1 or 2 or 3 times to create some flaky layers. Trying to remove any extra flour. As you can see, I'm working very fast. I'm gonna stop when the dough is 3/4 of an inch in thickness. You can use a round cookie cutter that is 3/4 of an inch in thickness as well, or you can use a heart-shaped cookie cutter. It's almost Valentine's Day after all, and it's February, so why not? Make as much as the dough allows. You can re-roll the dough very gently. I used also a tiny heart cookie cutters to make tiny ones. You can use a pan with a parchment paper, or you can use a cast iron to bake these. Brush with some heavy whipping cream or some melted butter. Sprinkle vanilla sugar or regular sugar on top. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 or 15 minutes depending on your oven. And here's the inspiration for this recipe. Some of the sweetest strawberries I've ever tasted. I'm gonna wash and remove the green part. And this is totally optional. You can leave as is and decorate with regular strawberries, or you can add a tablespoon of sugar. Let them sit for an hour. They will be shinier. They'll release some of their liquid, but it's totally up to you. Now I'm gonna make the whipped cream. I use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, preferably very cold, vanilla bean paste, vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whip until they have a nice consistency, just like so. This will take only a minute. We have all the components ready. The macerated strawberries, the ones we added sugar to, regular strawberries, the sweet cream, and some jam on the side. You can use strawberry or raspberry jam. I highly recommend you decorate the biscuit when you're ready to serve. The biscuit on its own tastes delicious. So buttery, so flaky, and so flavorful. In order to turn this into the most flavorful strawberry shortcake, you're gonna cut in half, add a little bit of strawberry or raspberry jam in the middle, some whipped cream, the sweet cream that we made earlier. You can add strawberries, top with the other layer, more whipped cream and strawberries. This is one way of decorating. You can do whatever you want. You have the basics for a great biscuit. Go ahead and be creative. You'll find the ingredients and their preparation method in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, follow my other social media, Instagram, Facebook, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, bon appétit!